नमस्ते, गुड मॉर्निंग, वनक्कम। कैसे हो आप लोग बच्चों? अच्छा खाओ, स्वस्थ रहो। ओके, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? ईट गुड, बी हेल्दी। ओके चिल्ड्रन, so you all are doing your homework, watching the video proper? Very good children. So today Hindi speaking, one line sentence we will learn. You are ready to learn Hindi speaking? Good. So we'll start. So when I'm asking, तुम्हारे पिताजी का नाम क्या है? What is your father name? You have to reply, मेरे पिताजी का नाम, whatever your father name is there, like example राजू, रवि, प्रकाश, anything. So मेरे पिताजी का नाम प्रकाश है. You can say like this. So you say मेरे पिताजी का नाम, your father name है. Okay children? तो आज हम सीखेंगे तुम्हारे पिताजी का नाम क्या है? तुम्हारे पिताजी का नाम क्या है? तुम्हारे मीन्स योर, पिताजी फादर, नाम नेम, क्या है व्हाट इज. सो व्हाट इज योर फादर नेम? तुम्हारे पिताजी का नाम क्या है? ओके बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे लेसन 4, झूठ खा गया. झूठ मीन्स लाई, खा मीन्स ईट, गया मीन्स ईटन. ओके, पास्ट टेंस. झूठ खा गया मीन्स लाई किल हिमसेल्फ. ओके, मीन्स he has paid for his lie. A boy was there, always he is saying lie in this story. So we will read this story. झूठ खा गया, ये हमारा लेसन 4 है. आई विल रीड फॉर यू एंड वन लाइन आई विल ट्रांसलेट द स्टोरी. लिसन केयरफुली. एक गांव में एक गडेरिया रहता था. उसका नाम बैजू था. वह बहुत झूठ बोलता था. जब गांव की औरतें कुएं पर पानी भरने जाती थीं तो वह जोर जोर से चिल्लाता, भागो भागो शेर आया. सब डर कर भागने लगते. तब वह ताली बजाता और जोर जोर से हंसता. बेचारी औरतें लौट आती और उसे डांटती. गांव की मौसी समझाती, न बेटा ऐसा नहीं करते. बैजू उनकी बातें सुनता और हंसी में उड़ा देता. सो देयर वाज अ shepherd. Shepherd, you know na, a person who is having sheep. Okay, sheep and goat both they are keeping, but shepherd we will say a person who is having sheep. So there was a shepherd. There was a shepherd. His name was Baju. His name was Baju. He was a big liar. Okay, always he will say lie. Anyone he will say lie. And he is living in a village. So when village lady they will go on to the well to collect the water, suddenly he will say, run, run, a lion has come, lion has come. He will start to shout, and that all ladies they will get scared and they will run to their house. They will go back. Then what will happen? When ladies will scare and they will go back to their house, he will start to laugh loudly and he will clap. He will say, I told lie, lie. You know, that is a fun for him. So again that all ladies, no, they will shout at you, you should not do like this, this is a bad habit. And some old ladies also in that village, they will say, no, this is a bad habit, you should not make a fun like this. Okay. एक बार किसान अपनी पकी हुई फसल काटने में लगे हुए थे. दोपहर का समय था. एकाएक गडेरिया बैजू चिल्लाया, भागो भागो शेर आया, शेर आया. सब डर के मारे भागने लगे. जब लोग निकट पहुंच गए तो वह जोर जोर से हंसने लगा. किसानों ने उसे खूब डांटा कि वह झूठ क्यों बोलता है? मुखिया ने आकर उसके माता पिता को भी डांटा। मुखिया के जाने के बाद माता पिता ने अपने बेटे को खूब समझाया। So what happened? Once what happened? All farmers, na, they were in their land and they are cutting their crop like a paddy. They are cutting their crop, and you know, na, our agriculture farm will be far from the house. So morning farmers will go, and when all are cutting their crop, okay, like you understand, like they are cutting their paddies. Suddenly this Baju start to shout, run, run, bhago, bhago, sher aaya, bhago, bhag means run, lion has come, and all farmers got scared and they have come back to their house. And when all farmers, when they have come back to their house, he again start to laugh, again start to clapping. Hey, I make a fun, I make you scared. All farmers got very angry and badly they shouted to Baju. And again what they done? They went to their house and they have complained to their parents also. See how what your son is doing, huh? He is wasting our time and he is making us fool like this. When all farmers gone back, their Baju parents also, na, they told this is a bad habit, you should not do like this. Okay, they told Baju not to do all those things. कि किसी दिन शेर सचमुच आ गया तो कोई तुम्हारी मदद के लिए नहीं आएगा, तुम्हारी बातों पर कोई विश्वास नहीं करेगा. So one day their parents was saying not to do like this, and they told if suddenly one day real lion will come and same you are shouting, that day you will call for help, nobody will come to help you. They will think today also you are making fun only. But Baju just he was ignore what parents are saying because that is a fun for him. किंतु 2-3 दिनों बाद वह फिर वही चाल चलने लगा. लोगों की बातों का उस पर कोई असर नहीं हुआ. वह चिकना खड़ा था. Again after 2-3 days again he started his same habit. How much people told doesn't matter for him. Okay, just he is ignoring, and again he start. So people also start to ignore him. Okay, leave it, lion has not come, simply he is trying to make us fool. एक दिन जब सब लोग अपने अपने कामों में जुटे हुए थे कि सचमुच एक शेर भेड़ का शिकार करने इधर आ गया. शेर को देख गडेरिया जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगा, बचाओ बचाओ, शेर आया. किंतु उसकी मदद के लिए कोई नहीं आया. शेर ने 2-3 भेड़ों को मार डाला और गडेरिया सहित कई पशुओं को घायल कर दिया. घायल गडेरिया बेहोश होकर वहीं गिर गया. One day what happened? When all people were busy in his work, and suddenly one lion has come. In real, you can see in picture one lion has come, na? Really one lion has come. And he started to eat his sheep. Okay, he has attacked his sheep, that lion, and he has attacked to this Baju also, and he got hurt and he fainted. And lion 2-3 sheep he has taken and he has gone back. That time Baju he was shouting, bachao bachao, save me, lion has come, sher aaya. But people are thinking again he is doing the same fun. Who will go? People didn't see also. Okay, let him. Daily he is trying to make us fool. But that day it was real. But when he is shouting, no one has come to help him. जब गडेरिये को होश आया तो सब ने उसे खूब बुरा भला कहा, क्योंकि उसने कई बार झूठ बोलकर उनका विश्वास खो दिया था. When this Baju become okay, because he was fainted, na? So when he has become okay, all people shouted him badly, okay, and told, see, daily you are saying lie, na? Today real thing has happened, real lion has come, and we have not come to help you. Okay, so see, because you have lose our faith, so he has learned a good lesson. So what is the moral of the story? हमें कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. We must never lie. Okay, we must never lie in fun also, because if 2-3 times same things you will repeat, same behavior you will repeat, people will think, leave it, that is his habit, he is doing. Now we will go for lesson 4, word meaning. First one, Gaderia. Gaderia means shepherd. Gaderia means shepherd. 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 Shepherd means Gaderia. Second one, Mukhiya. Mukhiya means village head. Sabhapati, Sarpanch. Okay, this is known as a Mukhiya, village head. Vishwas. Vishwas means trust. 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 Trust means Vishwas. Bhago. Bhago means run. 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 Run means Bhago. Sachmuch. Sachmuch means really. 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 Really means Sachmuch. Ghayal. Ghayal means injured. Ghayal means injured. Lion has an attack on Bajunus. What happened? He got injured and he fainted. So ghayal means injured. You can say injured means if you fall and you got some scratches, little blood, that is also known as a ghayal. So ghayal means injured. One more round we will read the word meaning. Gaderia, shepherd. Mukhiya, village head. Vishwas, trust. Bhago, run. Sachmuch, really. Ghayal, injured. Now children, in your lesson 4, it's there, अपना परिचय दीजिए. अपना परिचय दीजिए means introduce yourself. So I'm teaching you now how to talk in Hindi. This only is there, okay? So here little is there, I have write for you. I will read also, and little you have to write. Like first one, मेरा नाम. मेरा नाम. Naam means name. So here you have to make a sentence. How you will write? मेरा नाम है. So मेरा नाम, you have to write your name like मेरा नाम याइनी है, हेमलता है. So you have to write your name. Okay? मेरा नाम, your name है. Second one, मेरी माता जी का नाम. माता जी means mother. Ma, amma. Okay? I will read also, and little you have to write. Like first one, मेरा नाम. मेरा नाम. Naam means name. So here you have to make a sentence. How you will write? मेरा नाम है. So मेरा नाम, you have to write your name like मेरा नाम याइनी है, हेमलता है. So you have to write your name. Okay? मेरा नाम, your name है. Second one, मेरी माता जी का नाम. माता जी means mother. माँ, अम्मा. Okay? So मेरी माता जी का नाम. What is your mother name? You have to write. Here see, your right hand side I have make a dash, a small line. Na? That place you have to write your name, your mother name, your father name, school name I have written for you, your teacher name and your subject name. Wherever dash I have put, a small dot I have put, na, there you have to write. So second one, मेरी माता जी का नाम. You have to write मेरी माता जी का नाम. What is your mother name? You have to write that name है. Okay? मेरे पिताजी का नाम. मेरे पिताजी means father. So मेरे पिताजी का नाम. What is your father name? You have to write and है. मेरे विद्यालय का नाम. विद्यालय means school. विद्यालय means school. So what is your school name? I have written for you. मेरे विद्यालय का नाम अल्फा है. अल्फा स्कूल इज देयर ना, आर स्कूल नेम. सो अल्फा है. मेरी अध्यापिका का नाम, अध्यापिका मीन्स टीचर. सो मेरी अध्यापिका का नाम. हु इज योर टीचर? टीचर नेम यू हैव टू राइट हियर. ओके, मेरी अध्यापिका का नाम है. सो बिटवीन व्हाट एम्प्टी प्लेस इज देयर ना, देयर यू हैव टू राइट योर टीचर नेम. मेरा प्रिय विषय. प्रिय मीन्स फेवरेट, विषय मीन्स सब्जेक्ट. सो व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट? यू हैव टू राइट मेरा प्रिय विषय है. व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट? That subject name you have to write here. Okay children, better I will suggest you this thing you write in your classwork, because in book very less place is there, small place is there. Okay, so same thing you write in your classwork. Next we will read singular and plural. Singular in Hindi we will say ek vachan. Ek means one na, ek means one. Vachan means here your word. Okay, ek vachan means one word. Bahu means many, bahut, many. Bahuvachan means many people. So it is very easy. Singular, plural. Singular means ek vachan, one person. Bahuvachan, many person. Okay, many things. Ek vachan, bahuvachan. Singular, plural. So many thing is there where singular and plural both will be same. Okay, here some words are there in that singular and plural both we will use same thing. There is no changes. Like share. Okay, share, singular and plural both places one only share we will use. We will not say sere or seron. Okay, singular plural will be same for share. Fool. Fool means flower. Fool, singular and plural both will be same. Pani. Pani, water. This is uncountable, countable thing. You can say singular and plural. This is water is liquid. So water always singular and plural both will be same. Pani, pani. Mukhiya. Mukhiya is a position name. Okay, Mukhiya is a position name. Head. Okay, so Mukhiya singular and plural both will be same. Gaon. Gaon means village. Gaon means village. In Hindi singular plural both will be same. Phal, fruits. Phal means fruit. So phal, singular plural both is same. Badal. Badal means cloud. Badal means cloud. Cloud is one thing, you can't count na cloud. Okay, so cloud, singular plural both will be same. Pashu. Pashu means animal. Pashu means animal. This also singular and plural will be same. So you have to be very careful what word singular plural is not changing and which word is changing. Like bachcha. Bachcha means child. Plural will be bacche. लड़की. लड़की मीन्स गर्ल. प्लूरल विल बी लड़कियाँ. केला. केला मीन्स बनाना. केला मीन्स बनाना. प्लूरल विल बी केले. पौधा. पौधा मीन्स प्लांट. प्लूरल विल बी पौधे. So many word is there in Hindi. Singular plural will be change. But some words singular and plural both will be same. So you have to be very careful in exam when you are writing. Now we will go for question answer. Okay, in this lesson one word question answer is there na, I have written for you. So I'll read and translate for you. बैजू कौन था? In this lesson Baiju is there na, there is a name Baiju. So who was the Baiju? He was a shepherd. In Hindi we will reply बैजू एक गडेरिया था. Baiju was a shepherd. So see, all are in your question only one word गडेरिया is there, that you have to write. बैजू एक गडेरिया था. Baiju was a shepherd. वह क्या कहकर गांव वालों को डराता था? What Baiju will say and he will make scare to village people. What he is saying? Do you remember? He will say, भागो भागो शेर आया. This only he will say, na? Run, lion has come. So you have to write, वह कहता भागो शेर आया. Question number 3. किसानों ने उसे क्यों डांटा? Why farmers shouted at him? Why they shouted? Because all farmers far from the house, they are cutting their crop, na? Their paddies or other crop they are cutting. When he make them scared, all has come back to their house. He has wasted their time, na? For that only all farmers, village people shouted at Baiju. So in Hindi we will write, कई बार किसान डर कर खेत से घर तक भाग कर आते और बाद में पता चलता वह मजाक था. So many times farmers will come back to house with scare, and later they will know, oh my god, this was a fun, this was not real. For that only they got angry and they shouted on at Baiju. लोगों ने उसकी मदद क्यों नहीं की? Why people didn't help Baiju? आंसर, क्योंकि वह बार बार झूठ बोलता था. Because again and again many times he is saying lie. It's become habit for him to saying lie. So last time when he needs help, nobody has come to save him. So लोगों ने उसकी मदद क्यों नहीं की? क्योंकि वह बार बार झूठ बोलता था. बार बार मीन्स अगेन एंड अगेन. झूठ मीन्स lie. बोलना means saying. Okay, so again and again he is saying lie, and last time when really he need help, nobody has helped me. So this is your question answer. So okay children, today what we have learned? Today we have read our lesson 4 story, झूठ खा गया. There is a shepherd boy Baiju, and he is saying lie, and what he got it, what he has learned the lesson with his lie, we have learned in this lesson. And we have learned word meaning, question answer, singular plural, and about yourself. Write about yourself, tell about yourself. This we have read in this lesson. And what will be your assignment? You have to write word meaning, question answer, and write about yourself. This was your lesson children. Okay, thank you. See the video, then start to write your homework. Thank you children. Have a good day.